ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you can hear that. That's a song, one of my favorites. Quick little video. Haven't had any job. Well, I had a few jobs. They were small. Didn't post them. But what I did do in the trailer, had this sitting around. Let's lower this. Had it sitting around. A little Bluetooth stereo system. I know everybody's got small speakers, this, that, and the other thing. But you know what? This thing rocks, cuz. So if I'm on a job, I pull the trailer up, put the door down in the back, have the door open, play the music. It's nice, you know? That's what I did. I threw it in here real quick. It's plugged in for now up there. I am going to position it somewhere else when I get a chance. Stay tuned, because this guy here, I'm going to be building, taking all this out in the front, the V-nose, and I'm going to be building another. I'm going to extend the work table over and have a bunch of shelves from the ceiling down to accommodate the saw and some other stuff. And we're going to try to neaten all this and utilize all this space. All right. That's pretty much it. Just a little quick update. Put a stereo in the trailer. If you got one sitting around, you're working with a trailer, you got an old stereo system in the basement. If you got room for it, throw it in the trailer. It's nice. Nice to have. You know, everybody's got the Bluetooth and the little job radios and everything else. I got this little one. Where is it? Where the heck did I put it? Right here. If I go in someone's house or I'm working in a basement or something, this works fine. It's battery powered, okay? But this one here, I'll tell you what, 300 watts. It sounds nice when you turn it up. All right, that's it. That's all. Quick little post. Stay tuned. Like I said, we're going to start doing some stuff in the trailer. If you haven't subscribed already, you know what to do. Hit that button. Hit the subscribe button, okay? And hit the bell. If you hit the bell, I guess it goes to more people this way. You know, whatever it is. It's analytics or whatever they say on the channels there. All right, you know what we have to do now. If you've been watching my channel, what do we do at the end? Let's see if he's in here. Yo, Sonny. Sonny, you there, kid? No. Sonny. Sonny. Yo, Sonny, come on. Yo, Sonny.